Making calls. The first time you make a call, you need to grant access to your browser to use your computer's microphone. Make sure you click Allow on the pop-up window that comes up. Viewing your recent calls. To redial or get back to a customer who might have called you a few minutes ago, use the Recent Calls section. You can find your 3 most recent calls listed within the widget for your convenience. Searching for contacts. If you want to call your contacts, or even an unsaved number, you just need to key in the name or number in the search bar of the widget. If it's a saved contact, the contact's name gets listed automatically. When typing in a phone number, ensure that you also enter the country code as a prefix. Example: to call a German number, add +49 as a prefix. Now you can directly call your contacts from within the widget using the call button. To make a call, you just need to click on the call icon present against the call. On making the call, the status of your call, if connected or not, can be seen from the widget. Once your contact picks up your call, the widget expands and you see the duration of the call at the top of the widget.